What's up guys, Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐞. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your car look, let's see, carry the 1 divided by 2, insert, that is 10.65 times better than it actually looks right now. Now the item we're going to be using in order to modify the car is kidney grill inserts. I do know BMW does this. I'm not sure if any other model cars does it. So let me know down below what kind of model car you have so that way I could take a look for you. Let's get it. Alright, so I bought another pair previous to the one on the left, and because I didn't take a look at the title and the description of the item, I didn't realize that it was not for my model BMW. I have the BMW 525i, that is the 5 Series, and the one it was for is some type of 1990s BMW, so it did not fit whatsoever. So I ended up buying some new ones. They were about 20 bucks for my model. Once again, I have the BMW 525i, so you are going to be able to find it down in the video description below. Now, if you're telling me this simple car modification didn't make the car look 10 times better, then I'm not sure what's wrong with you. You're high, you're drunk, something's definitely wrong here. I'm gonna need you to stick around with me because I'm gonna show you some cool tricks to make your car look new again. If you're looking to do some pretty inexpensive car modifications, this is the channel for you. So in this series, I'm pretty much gonna be showing you how to make your car look 10 times better with some pretty inexpensive parts. We're gonna do the modifications together. Subscribe to the channel. Now, if that modification did make your car look 10 times better, I'm not sure what will. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐞. You know I'm out. Subscribe to the team. Peace.